Hi everyone, welcome to Live at Chennai. This is Mr. Srinivas. Today I'm going to draw Deepika Padukone in a different way. So as usual, the sketching part. So you all know that how I start and finish up the pencil sketch. So I don't need to explain more about this because this is the same format I do sketching for all the drawing whatever I did so far. The same way I started from eyes and continuing the right eye from the left. Following that, I am drawing the eyebrow. Actually, in this drawing, I just wanted to make something different shading. So I used scale and pencil for making shading with stripe lines. So this is not actually new. So there are many people have already done like this way, but I just tried it. You can see the shading part after this drawing. So I was little bored with the smooth shading and strokes, so that I wanted to make something new and something different from the shading. See, this is actually a rough sketch. So most of you were asking to keep the reference picture on the top or anywhere in the frame, so I just kept the picture on the top. So I hope it might help you to understand the way how I start, and how I am doing the outlines with the picture. So, so after this, I'll make a final outline that will be done by 8B steadler pencil. So after this, I'll make sure that see the eyebrow I have drawn little wider than the picture, so there are some mistakes in this. So I'll try to correct. And earrings also look straight in the drawing, but actually in the picture it is right side earring is a little down. So now I'm doing with the steadler pencil. It's a 8B steadler. It's actually a permanent pencil. You cannot easily erase the lines. That is why I'm drawing the main line with the steadler pencil. So I'm keep on telling this in every video, but people are still asking me what pencil are you using, what pencil are you using for drawing and shading the hair and shading the face like that. But if you people want to know the name of the pencil, means you can check up the description in the video. I have mentioned all the details of the material, the paper, all those things. Actually, this is the very first time I am drawing Deepika Padukone. I haven't tried it before. This is my very first time. So actually, this is very simple portrait. There are no much works to do. Even costume also don't have any detailing work. So I have chosen this picture because for the straight line it will be easy to draw. So I thought to have this picture for the shading. See, the final drawing is over. So I'm erasing the unwanted line. So only the steadler lines will be visible after erasing. That is why I'm using the steadler pencil. So now the sketch is ready. So I have a scale called Nalantha. It's very thicker than the normal scale. I'm just experimenting the lines with that. Okay, I think it is coming well. So I'm using steadler 8B on the top only for the hair area. So other part I'm using normal HB pencil to have a light tone. You check the same pattern I'm doing. So mistakenly the steadler line came on the face area. So I'm erasing. See, I'm using steadler 8B pencil on the top only for the hair area, and the other part I'm using on the skin and cloth area I'm using only HB pencil. The same way I'm going to do for all the portrait. Actually, I have already tried this technique during my 12th standard. So I tried Dr. MGR for this technique, but after that, now only I'm doing this technique for Deepika Padukone. Actually, this looks very easy, but sometimes this is very tough also. We have to give the dark line in particular area where you want. If you give the dark line in unwanted area, then the picture, I mean the resemblance will go out. So now after this, I'm giving dark to the hair part. One line, two one line. I'm leaving one line gap and one line giving dark. I mean, after every line, I'm shading the dark line. The center area is the lighting actually, so I'm leaving the lighting directly from that. Actually, she looks very beautiful in this picture. Actually, I thought of making a normal shading with this picture, but even I am boring with that same pattern of shading. So see how I am shading it. I'm not using any curve line for the shading. Only all the shading comes in a vertical way. So I'm using a normal sheet on the picture. So I felt like the lines are smudging because HB pencil will easily get smudged with the hand. So I don't want that. So protecting that, I'm using normal paper on the face. Actually, yeah, this kind of Shading will give some illusion effect for the audience, but we should not miss to bring the person's character that what we are drawing. So I'm using a 5B pencil for dark. I mean there is a shadow under the neck, I mean jaw. So the lines are look so uniform. So that is the beauty of this shading actually. Actually, I felt a little difficult to make eye because there are minute lines to draw. Actually, for this portrait, dimple and nose is the main character for her face. So that's very important in this picture. Dimple and nose. Somehow I could manage to bring the resemblance without fail. This kind of different technique will be very interesting to make. So I'm just trying this. Even costume has no detailing work to do, so this is very easy for making this. Again, I'm using scale for the background. Again, even for the background, I'm using scale because I just wanted to give continuity for the picture and background. So, so I think the background line will be lighter than the picture. Then only it will be good. Okay, so I think you're liking this video as this is a new technique. So in the future also I'll be doing new technique. Please support me for all my new efforts and also like my all videos. If you like the video, please send to all your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you with another video. Thank you so much.